Hi guys, today we're going to be making the Greg's vegetable bakes from Iceland. I've actually been missing my pasties from Greg. I've actually had one of these already, which is really nice. So I just thought I'd give you a meal idea. Not the healthiest of meals, but for a one-off it's not bad. So we'll just have a look at the nutrition information. So it's got almost 9 grams of protein in each pasty, and the salt is quite high, but I guess, you know, it's just a one-off, so we can't feel too guilty. It does take 25 minutes in the oven, but I will show you a different way to make it if you obviously want to cut down your time and you are open-minded. So this is what we have. It's quite cute. We're just going to pop this onto a plate and we're going to pop it into the microwave, and we shall cover it with a cover, and we are going to defrost this, so it's in the defrost setting, and we will start cooking. Okay guys, so it's nice and defrosted. What we're going to do is just pop the gas on. As you can see, I've put a pan on. We're going to pop some, whoops, that was a lot of vegetable oil, sorry, olive oil. And we're just going to pop that into our oil. Spread the oil around a little bit. Turn the gas down a little bit because we want to slow cook this. I'm just going to pop some holes in just to make sure it cooks properly. So the reason why I'm not using the oven today, because it literally takes 25 minutes in the oven, and this method I'm going to show you now is going to take 7 to 10 minutes. So what we're going to do now, we're just going to cover this and just cook it on a very low flame for 4 minutes, and then we're going to come back and give it a turn. Guys, so our pasty has been cooking for about 4 minutes now, so we're just going to give it a quick turn. Just make sure the oil evenly distributed, and we're just going to let it cook for another 4 minutes now on low flame. So our pasty's been cooking for a good 4 to 5 minutes now on low flame. As you can see, it's cooking away nicely. So what we're going to do now is just give it a flip. There we are guys, so that's our pasty. It's perfectly cooked inside and out, and we're just gonna wait for it to cool down and give it a quick taste. That is lovely. It's quite spicy, but not too spicy.